in this part, we're focusing on talking about how to include and exclude some special characters. So let's talk about or syntax. So if you import the regular expression modules and sometimes you want to search whether there is fish or bird, rather than you just want to search the bird, then you can add the or syntax. So he loves playing bird, and you can use read.search, and then you paste the out print, and then put the fish or bird here. Now, no matter whether you are using the bird or fish, you can still see the matches from 17 to 21. And we can also use exclude. For example, if you have some text and milk and some special symbols, then you can use the not the power syntax. So you can exclude all of these symbols. So you can execute this. Now you can see it will just output those not simple. And then you can use v.find all, because you can see these output separately. Then we can use the plus symbol. And then if you remember the plus symbol, which means occur one or more times, so it will group it all together and become an milk and then we will remove all of these, and then we just have the bread here. And actually we talk about this at include. So because we used exclude here, we can, in an opposite way, we just include those not symbols. For example, this is A to C, lowercase, and A to C, uppercase, and also the numbers. So now if you execute this, you can get, so X is equal to milk and bread without those symbols. And if you want to join this as one sentence, you can use space dot join this array, and then you get milk and bread. So actually this is good for finding some pattern. For example, we want to search this pighead and long term which has hyphen in between. Then we can use outprint and then word plus hyphen plus word. And the word, because we do not know how many characters, we use the plus, which have one or more times by using the plus symbol. Then we can use put the text here. Now we can get the pighead and also the long term.